Now this one is a showstopper. Showcasing nearly every upgrade at the time of construction, this deluxe model Miracle Home has unmatched curb appeal and interior character. Features like interior detail molding, backlit tray ceilings and nooks, a fully finished walkout basement suite with second kitchen and fourth bedroom, cathedral ceiling primary suite with a luxury walk-in closet ensuite bath, a massive walk-in butler's pantry, glistening hardwood floors, main level laundry, property speaker system, premium low maintenance siding, and even an outdoor TV station. Enjoy morning sunrise coffee on your trellis covered composite deck and sunsets rocking on your expansive wraparound deck overlooking the beautiful 4-acre community park here in the secluded Reflections Village subdivision. Welcome to 1510 Cambridge Court. If you would like to set up a private showing or just write an offer, reach out to myself, Jacob Sheets, your Wisconsin real estate agent with Vision Properties and eXp Realty. My information on the screen now or in the description below. Thank you.